Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Skullcandy Hesh Evo headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your iPhone. At first we have to turn on our headphones. Mine are hard resetted, but if yours aren't, you have to go into parent mode by holding your finger on this circle button over here for at least 2 seconds. Now we have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click Bluetooth settings. Now we have to wait a moment. As you can see, Hesh Evo, we have to click on it. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.